Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to see spam mail in Yahoo. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to simply open up your Yahoo Mail. So I'm going to simply click on here to open up my Yahoo Mail. Then having opened up your Yahoo Mail, next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. Then you have to simply scroll down, and right here you have your spam folder. Simply click on that. And all the mail you have in the spam folder is going to be found right here. Most of the time when we create an account with our Yahoo Mail on a particular website, they might send a verification code to us in our spam folder. So this is one of the reasons why you need to know and see how you can check your spam folder. When you check your spam folder, then whatever mail you are not seeing in your primary mail, it comes directly into your spam folder, just like what you see right here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to see your spam folder in Yahoo Mail. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.